How's it going, guys? I'm going to be adjusting this rear parking brake because it is very loose, as you probably could tell. Maybe right there, let's see. Yeah, right there. It's very far away from the brake shoe, and when you pull it, it just barely touches, like just minute touches it. So there's two parking brake screws, right? There's one right here and one above that you probably can't see. But you take off your drive shaft, and then you could take out this rear drum that's right behind the transfer case. The transfer case is right on the other side of this. So take this off, and then you can adjust those screws. Alright, so you actually need one of these open-ended wrenches or close-ended, one of these, because you can't actually fit a socket on here. So, okay, so really, got this. Oh yeah. So, as you can see, there is a nut right there. It's a 1 inch. I do not have it. So what I'm gonna do, I took off the drive shaft. So all I'm gonna do is spin these now. They should spin pretty easily. Alright, so that's how you adjust it. Now you just have to, oops, now you just got to take your drive shaft, try to fit it back on there. I think I had it. There we go. Oh. So these probably have some torque spec, but just do it until they're snug. Oh, alright, and that's how you adjust the parking brake on a CJ5. So thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you like projects like this or how-tos, or if you want to see the whole Jeep, please subscribe to my channel and have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.